In this session, I will explain you about Programmable Peripheral Interface. In short, we may denote it as PPI, and the IC we are going to use is 8255. By using this 8255 Programmable Peripheral Interface, we can connect any input or output devices with the 8086 microprocessor, and the input or output devices we are going to use is like switch, keyboard, LEDs, 7-segment display units, analog to digital converter interfacing, digital to analog converter interfacing. This 8255 programmable peripheral interface is a 40-pin IC. As shown in the pin configuration, it consists of 24 input or output lines. These 24 input or output lines divided into 3 ports. They are port A consists of 8 number of lines. They are from port PA0 to PA7. P means port, A means the port A indicating means here the number of lines are 8 from PA0 to PA7. Port B, it consists of 8 number of lines. We may denote it as PB0 to PB7. Port C, it is also consists of 8 number of lines. They are divided into 2 subgroups. Port C lower, port C upper. Port C upper consists of 4 number of lines. We may denote it as PC4 to PC7. Port C lower consists of 4 number of lines. We may denote it as PC0 to PC3. These ports can be grouped into 2 groups like Group A, Group B. Group A consists of port A with 8 number of lines, port C upper with 4 number of lines. Group B, it consists of port B, 8 number of lines, port C lower with 4 number of lines. These 2 groups can be programmed in different modes. They are input-output mode, bit set reset mode. In short, we may denote this as BSR mode. Here in input-output mode, we may also call this one as control word like CD mode. This can be divided into mode 0, mode 1, mode 2. If we consider IO mode, entire port may act like a input port or output port. For example, if I consider port A, the number of lines PA0 to PA7, these 8 number of lines will act like a input port. If I consider port B, the lines are from PB0 to PB7, these 8 number of lines will act like a output port. Coming to the BSR mode, bit set reset mode, it is possible to set or reset any bit of a port A or port B or port C. Like port A, PA0, we may consider this as input line, or if we are considering PA2, port A2 line, we may consider this as output line. PA7, we may also consider this as input line, etc. As shown in the pin configuration, it also consists of data bus lines D0 to D7. These are the data bus lines. It can be carry, data or control word to or from the microprocessor. It also consists of reset pin. By using this reset pin, a logic high on this line, it clears the control word register of 8255. All ports are set as input ports by default after reset. Read pin and write pin. These 2 pins are active low pins. This is the input line. By using this read pin, this is the input line driven by the microprocessor and should be low to indicate read operation to 8255. By using this write pin, this is the the input line driven by the microprocessor. Yellow on this line indicates write operation. A0 and A1. These are the address lines. The address inputs A0 and A1 are used to select or access one of the three ports or control word register. Depending on values on chip select pin, A1 pin, A0 pin, the following ports are going to be selected. If the value on chip select pin is 0, A1 pin is 0, A0 pin value is also 0, port A is going to be selected. If the chip select pin value is 0, A1 pin value is 0, A0 pin value is 1, the port B is going to be selected. When the chip select pin value is 0, A1 pin value is 1, A0 pin value is 0, port C is going to be selected. Chip select pin value is 0, A1 pin value is 1, A0 pin value is 1. It is going to be select the control word register. When the chip select pin value is 1 and the A1, A0 pins are considering as don't cares, the 8255 is not going to be selected. The 8255 programmable peripheral interface consists of control word register, that in short we may denote it as CWR. By considering the control word register, we can program the ports like port A, port B, port C as input ports or output port in any one of the modes like mode 0, mode 1, mode 2. Here in control word register, it consists of the bits are from D0 to D7. Depending on values on these D0 to D7 bits, the port A or port B or port C, these three ports we may select in working in any one of the modes. Here, if the value on D7 bit equal to 1, the 8255 is going to work in IO mode. If the value on D7 bit is 0, the 8255 is going to be working BSR mode, means bit set reset mode. Here, if I consider the value on D0 bit, here port C lower is going to work in mode 0. Port C lower means the lines we may consider as PC0 to PC3. These values in D0 bit, the value equal to 1, these lines will act as a input lines. If D0 bit value is 0, these PC0 to PC3 lines will act as output lines. Next, if I consider D1 bit, the value on D1 bit, here port B is going to be decided. The port B is going to work in mode 0 or mode 1. If the value on D1 bit equal to 1, the port B lines we may consider it as PB0 to PB7. These 8 lines is going to work as input lines if the value equal to 1. If the value on D1 bit equal to 0, these lines will work as a output lines. Here, by depending on value on D2 bit, the mode selection is going to be decided. If D2 bit equal to 1, mode 0 is going to be selected. If the D2 bit equal to 0, mode 1 is going to be selected. Next, these 3 blocks we may consider it as group B. Group B means port B section and port C lower section. Next, coming to this group A. Group A consists of port C upper and port A. Port A means PA0 to PA7. Port C upper means PC4 to PC7. Here, considering the value on D3 bit, if D3 equal to 1, the port C upper lines means PC4 to PC7 will act as a input lines. If the value on D3 bit equal to 0, these port C upper lines will act as a output lines, and this port C upper is going to be considering in mode 0. Coming to the bit D4 bit, depending on D4 bit value, port A is going to be selected. If the D4 bit equal to 1, port A lines means PA0 to PA7 input work as a input lines. If D4 bit equal to 0, these port A lines will act as a output lines. Here port A will be working as a mode 0, mode 1 or mode 2, and the mode selection is going to be decided depending on 2 bits, D5 bit and D6 bit. Considering D5 value and D6 value, mode selection is going to be decided. If 0, 0 means mode 0 is going to be selected, 0, 1 means mode 1 is going to be selected, 1 don't care means we may consider it as 1, 0 or 1, 1 means mode 2 is going to be selected. Here if we consider the total control word register here, the port A is going to be working in mode 0, mode 1, mode 2. Port C means port C upper or port C lower is going to be working mode 0 only. If we consider port B, it is going to be working mode 0 and mode 1. This completes the explanation of 8255 programmable peripheral interface.